Hello friends, welcome to our channel. As we all know, NEET results has been declared and counseling has also been started. And we even know that 15% of seats in an institutions are meant for all India quota and rest of the 85% is meant for state quota. And these 85% of seats meant for state quota shall follow the instructions of state government and respective authorities concerned. So in this video, let us see about those 85% state quota seats and NEET counseling in Madhya Pradesh. So before going to it, please like the video, share it and subscribe our channel to get more information. So if we search for the official website, so dmi.mponline.gov.in is the official website for the NEET counseling in Madhya Pradesh. So if we go to the official website, so this is the main page that will open. So here they have given different departments. So here for the NEET counseling, so here they have given DME undergraduate counseling for MBBS and BDS. So if we click here, so this is the main page. So here they have given the latest instruction, counseling schedule, seat chart, state merit, and user manual and the allotment list. So these are the portals, and then they have even given the candidate corner so that they can log in into their respective IDs for counseling. So first they have to create profile and password will be allotted for the NEET UG roll number. So then the candidate can log in. So if we click on the counseling schedule, so here they have given tentative time schedule state level combined online counseling NEET UG 2020 for MBBS or BDS. So that was posted on 29th of October. So if we click on this, so this is the page that will open. So in this page you can see tentative time schedule for NEET counseling in Madhya Pradesh state for MBBS and BDS. So this is for first round MBBS and BDS scores. They have given the events and the respective durations allotted for that. And if you scroll down, you can see the second round duration or the schedule. And next it comes up with mop up round, first mop up round, and next it is so at the last college level admission against stray vacancies, which is left out seats. So candidates can get information from this counseling schedule. So if you go to the main page again, so here in the rule book steps or user manual, so if you click here, so here they have given the profile creation and registration user manual and flowchart MP state combined NEET UG counseling 2020. So if you click on the flowchart, so this will be the PDF that opens. So this is the scheme of online Madhya Pradesh State Combined UG Counseling NEET UG 2020. So here they have given all the details. So to let the student know about how the UG or the NEET UG 2020 counseling takes place in Madhya Pradesh. So this is for the 85% of the state quota seats that is left out after allotting the all India quota seats. So here the candidate get all the information about the NEET counseling this time. So again, so if you click on the user manual, so you will get the PDF of profile creation and the registration user manual on 30th October 2020. So here you will get all the information regarding the profile creation, and so the candidate has to go through this PDF or the manual before creating the profile. All the best candidates. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can drop your queries in the comment section and we will try to clarify it as soon as possible. Please do like the video and share it. And please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon given below to get the notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, NEET UG counseling is very tough this year. So if you don't have enough knowledge about counseling and choice filling, so just WhatsApp on the given number and get idea about colleges and counseling.